Same mascara, same person. One eye done the normal way and the other one done with my technique. The difference is insane and it takes only 5 minutes. Let's get started with today's video. So the first thing, and people skip this all the time, it is to define the lower waterline. I'm using the Lakme iconic Kajal because it's waterproof and it's smooth. And it actually makes the whole lash line look fuller before mascara even goes on. Ignore the kajal I already have on. I was filming earlier, so just focus on the application. Going in on the other eye now, just glide it right along the waterline, nice and close. And then I tightline the upper lash line too. This is the step that makes your lashes look thicker at the root, like they're fuller, not just longer. See how defined that already is? We haven't touched mascara yet. Now the eyelash curler. This matters more than people think. And not every curler works for every eye shape. I'm using the Refer 20R because it fits my eye shape properly. If your curler doesn't sit flush against your lid, you're not getting the full curl. And now look at that difference. One side is curled, the other side is not. As you can see, I'm pressing down 3 times at the root, mid-lash and then at the tip. 3 sections. This is what gives you the lift rather than just a bend. The curl is doing so much of the heavy lifting before mascara even comes near it. Now for mascara. I'm using the L'Oreal Paradise Big Deal Mascara because the brush on this is really good for what we're going to be doing. Now this step is important and you do not skip this. I wipe off the excess on the wand before it goes anywhere near my lashes. Too much of the product is actually what causes clumping. It's not usually the formula. This problem is. You want the wand looking like this. You want it coated but not loaded. I'm starting right at the lash line and I'm being intentional with the direction. Outer corner lashes, I pull them outward. That's your cat eye. Center lashes, I pull straight up. This is what will give you the lift. And I keep going over them, building up slowly. You can see how beautifully this mascara is coating each individual lash without looking clumpy. You want to comb the lash through so that it doesn't end up looking too heavy. And I really love using this mascara because it gives me just what I'm looking for. The more intentional you are with application, the better your lashes will end up looking. And this is what we have got so far. You can really see the shape coming through. Now I'm going in for another coat. And we'll be doing the same thing. Outer corner, flick them out. Center lashes, lift them up. And take your time here. Honestly, do not rush it. Now the tiny lashes at the inner corner. These get forgotten so often and they make a massive difference to how full the lash looks overall. I hold the wand vertically here and just lightly coat them. We do not want to be depositing too much product or getting the lashes clumped over here because it will ruin the entire look. We're using the same technique as before to remove excess product from the wand. Bottom lashes, wand has to be held straight and use a very light hand. This gives you the length at the bottom without it going spidery. Just softly press and pull. That's one eye fully done with the technique I just showed you. And look at this. Technique eye versus bare. The curl, definition, the shape. Okay, now watch what happens when I do the other eye with just a normal application. Same mascara, same number of coats, but no technique. I'm using the same mascara, but I'm going in the usual way. just coating the lashes how most people would normally do it. I'm using the same number of coats, the same effort, but this doesn't have any curl. It has the Kajal prep, but there's no direction in the technique. And here's the technique eye on its own, just so you can really see it. And here's the side by side. So that's it. Kajal on the waterline, tightline the upper lash line, curl in 3 sections, and then be intentional with your wand direction. If this helped you, hit the like button. It genuinely helps my channel. Subscribe if you want more of this kind of thing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys, have a good one.